I just want to show you this new product that I received from iWiss. This is the iCrimp PEX Expander Tool. This is made specifically for PEX-A pipe, and this product comes with your PEX cutting tool, an expander cone grease, a 3/4 inch expander head, a 1 inch expander head, and you have the 1/2 inch expander head right here. This handle actually have an extendable arm because as you expand the pipe, it's gonna be harder and harder for it to be expanded. So the company let you extend the handle so it will give you more leverage. To remove and replace the head, all you need to do is open the handle, and once the handle is open, you should be able to remove or put this thing back easily. And your expander grease will actually go into this cone right here. So I already put some grease here. You just need enough so that this thing will be able to move freely. Let me go ahead and do it. And now if you look at this head, you're gonna notice that every time I open the handle, the head actually turns. And that is so that it will help you expand your tool properly. To use the cutter, all you need to do is rest the pipe squarely into the head, and you don't want it slanted like this, or like this. You want your pipe resting flat right here, okay? So once you do that, you should be able to do a straight cut. Now to use the head, all you need is a PEX expansion sleeve, and you just want to put your expansion sleeve into your pipe like this one. And I just want to let you know that the expansion sleeve actually have a wider opening on one side compared to the other, so you can only put this into the pipe in one direction. So right now, if I do it this way, this thing won't go in at all, and if I do it this way, I'll be able to push it in. And this thing is going to rest once it reaches that end. So let's go ahead and expand this so we can install this into this opening. And if you're wondering why do you want to use a PEX-A compared to PEX-B, well, this is the PEX-B connector, and if you compare it to the opening of PEX-A, the PEX-A actually keeps the diameter of your pipe. If you have a 1/2 inch pipe, you have a 1/2 inch opening. If you use a PEX-B, the diameter actually gets smaller when you use a connector, so that kind of like restrict the flow. So let's go ahead and install this. Okay, so I just secured this pipe here, and if you see right now, I cannot even put this thing in because the hole in here is actually the same size as the pipe. So in order for us to make this fit here, we need to expand the end of this pipe. So we're gonna be using the 1/2 inch head, and in order to use this, you basically just want to open it up and push it here, and you can see that this thing doesn't really go all the way. So you're gonna have that first. So at first you're gonna use this and do an opening, and then when you open it, the thing will turn, and you see here it actually went in a little. I'm gonna open it again, and when I'll do it the third time, you'll look at this one right here. I'll be able to push this thing completely. So now I have it completely in. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go push this again. So now that I have that, I'll be able to insert this connector. And now once I have the connector in, you just want to leave this thing in for a couple of seconds because the PEX-A pipe and the sleeves is going to try to go back to its original size. So now I can't even pull this anymore. See that? So now this is all connected and sealed properly. So I hope that you found this video helpful to you. If it does, please help my channel by clicking the like and the subscribe button. And thank you for watching.